Today I am going to show you how to fix uncountable boot volume error while starting your PC. So first step is insert your bootable USB drive into the PC. Then press the power button. Open boot menu by pressing F9. Select the USB drive which you have inserted in. So I have inserted this one. A boot has must created in this USB drive. So go to select next. Go to repair your computer. As you can see, here are 4 options. Select the troubleshoot, go to advanced option and press on startup repair and Windows 10, then and automatically system repair will start. This window can take up to 1 hour to finish, so wait. If this works for you, so don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.